I've heard a lot of people saying, I don't want to take a risk. But you know what? There is nothing without risk. And without risk, there is nothing. Risk is something that we do every day. Because to laugh is to risk appearing a fool. To cry is to risk appearing sentimental. To reach out for another is to risk involvement. To expose feelings is to risk exposing your true self. To place your ideas, your dreams before the crowd, it is to risk their loss. To love is to risk not being loved in return. The greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. Therefore, success requires somebody who's brave enough to take risk. And everybody wants to be successful, but not everybody is successful. And you want to know why? Because success is not a matter of luck. Success is not a matter of being fortunate. Success knows no skin color, knows no language, knows no background. Success requires hard work. Success is not a destination. Success is a journey. Success is not something that is given. Success is something that is earned. It's actually an everyday exercise. The absence of service mentality is the absence of results. And in success, we play by one code. We live by one rule. Winning isn't everything, but learning is.